Alright, good day. I'm here with?
Good day, here we are Inspector Kelly from the Visual Identification Unit.
Specialized people.
Specialized, yes, very specialized. VIU, we also dub it as a very important unit. So we support investigation. So most of what you see happening in the arena, when all that is done, it comes right back to us. So we focus on composite sketch identification parade. So composite sketch is when the suspect is not known to the police. So we get the description from the witness or the victim, and based on the description that is given, then we produce this. We produce a composite sketch. So we can do anything from here based on the description that is given to us. So this is just a quick brief, just to show the capability of the software, what we can do with it. So we can change the hair, ball it gun, turn rasta instantly. You understand? So if they have, if they are wearing a tattoo, so we can put all the necessary tattoo as well. So like that. So we just move it up.
Technology has come far away.
Technology has. You have a sketch artist. So this is quicker. So what this allows us to do, we can go anywhere. The witness doesn't even have to come to us. We can come to your house, your shop, your business place, anywhere.
So this can work on a tablet as well?
No, the software is too powerful. And then also, with every software you have limitations. So what we cannot achieve in this, we move it over into Photoshop to find the necessary hairstyle, any feature at all, to get what we need to put out a software. And we have been very successful in doing so. So we want to know the public who are aware that this is available to them. If you are involved in any crime, once you can identify the suspect, ask the police officer about this. Ask the police about the visual identification unit, and we are here ready to provide the service. You don't even have to come to the station. We will come to you.